How do you put on the chain and charm add-on to the new Annabelle corset? Let me show you. First, let's go over supplies. You should have your charm kit, also your pearl and chain kit. You should have 2 pairs of pliers as well as a wire cutter, which isn't shown, and then a pair of scissors. Inside the pearl and chain kit are 3 spring gate rings. There are also medium-sized jump rings and then smaller size jump rings. The first step is to feed the spring gate ring through the tabs at the center front as well as the tabs at the center back. Then you're going to determine how long you want each chain to be. You don't want it to be super tight, so give it a little bit of slack so that it hangs nicely. Use wire cutters to cut the thicker chain, and then use a pair of just standard old scissors to cut the pearl chain. It's really delicate, so you don't need wire cutters for this. Next, use the pliers to open the jump rings. The medium-sized jump ring goes on the thicker chain, and then the smaller size jump ring goes on the pearl chain. The key to opening and closing the jump ring is to pull the pliers forwards and backwards. Now for the pearl chain, you're going to first add the smaller jump ring. Then you're going to add the medium-sized jump ring to the smaller jump ring. So here's what the end of your chain should look like. Once the jump rings are on, you can feed them through the spring gate ring at the center front as well as the center back. Let's move on to charms. Adding the charms uses the same techniques as adding the chains. So you're going to feed that jump ring through the opening at the top of the charm. Then you're going to feed the jump ring through the chain and close it using the pliers. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm obsessed.